what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today's going to be cool because I have a 96 Cobra we did a Coyote swap on. So it's the Gen 3 Coyote 10-speed automatic. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. See a lot of other cool Coyote swaps and all kinds of other cars we build. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, we do a lot of Coyote swaps here at Brenspeed. www.brenspeed.com is the website. But hey, this one right here is a 1996 Cobra. So you've seen us do these in like 3-valve Mustangs, but a lot of older vehicles. It's very popular in like F100s. Doug, look at that. Like a 65 Mustang like that up there, you're going to be seeing coming up. Hey, that is why you need to subscribe to see all these cool builds. Here's what we have. Naturally aspirated. Almost everyone that gets these Coyote swaps wants a blower. We went NA on this one, so we did the Gen 3 Coyote. We also did the 10-speed automatic with the Ford Racing control pack. Now this is a package that Ford Racing offers. We sell here at Brenspeed. All brand new, complete kit. A lot of you always ask. I'm going to say it right now. You know, hey, how much is it to Coyote swap? Well, that's a loaded question because it really depends on what other things you want done when you're doing your particular Coyote swap. But as of today, which is like May 2023, a Ford Racing Gen 3 Coyote naturally aspirated engine with the 10-speed automatic and the control pack costs between $20,000 and $21,000. You can look at them right on Ford Racing's website or ours as well. I'll put a link in the description so you can just open it up, click on it, and go look at this package. But Doug, come down here and take a look. Here's what we have. We're running a set of hooker headers on this swap. Gen 3 Coyote, like I said, 10-speed automatic. And when you do this swap right here, you're going to need an upgraded fuel system. So we did a fuel system from Aeromotive. Your drive shaft's not going to fit. You can keep your same rear end on this car. So we did upgrade the rear end. I'll talk more about that in a little bit. But you do need like to get a custom made drive shaft, which we did. It's aluminum. Just measure what you need. And there's a lot of companies out there that'll make that for you. So we do that as well. But it's a sweet setup. You know, we're talking, this car of course still has heat, everything like that. Air conditioning, that's important to a lot of people. So we retain that. But it's a sweet setup. So, you know, sometimes people want to build their stock engine, maybe try to make a little bit more power, but a lot of people just love Coyote swaps. So this is a 460 horsepower at the flywheel from the factory. That's what you have right there. I do want to go inside and show you what the interior of the car looks like because it's basically stock. We only added a B&M shifter. This one's Dakota digital gauges. Doug, let's go take a look. All right, one cool thing about this car, you know, we're on the interior right now. It's from the exterior, it looks very stock. And even on the interior, we didn't do a lot of mods. So, of course, you can see obviously right here, we have the B&M shifter, which, you know, B&M makes this for the 10-speed auto. It fits right in. I mean, you don't have any like crazy cutting or custom work. But I want to show you the Dakota digital gauges. We use those in almost all of our Coyote swaps. Doug, why don't you hand me the camera? I'm going to attempt to show this right here. But some of you may want to see what this looks like. But it's a really awesome setup. So you get everything from your fuel level to engine coolant temp. Of course, you have speedo and tach. You have your battery voltage and your oil pressure over here. But the way they make these gauges is they fit right in the factory. And then they are designed to wire up to all your, high-tech new technology. So that's really cool. So, Doug, here's the camera back. What I'd like to do next, now we've looked at the engine, we've checked the car out, we looked at the interior. I want to put it on a lift. We're going to go underneath. It won't take much longer and show you like the UPR K-member, maybe a couple of things we did underneath. Let's go check it out. All right, we're going to take a quick look underneath and wrap this up. But here's the UPR K-member, and it's a coilover kit. So you get the coilovers right up here, Doug. And everything's from UPR. It's an awesome company. We've used them a lot. It's high quality. But it's a complete K-member kit they have for this. It comes with all the coilover suspension. We have the hooker headers right here, so those are cool. But I want to show you a couple other things underneath this car. Now this does have a lot of parts on it that were on it prior. We have right here a set of Stifler's subframe connectors we installed. But here's something else that Stifler's makes, which is cool. If you're going to do a swap like this, Doug, swing around, take a look. We have the Stifler's transmission crossmember. So, we have the 10-speed automatic. This crossmember right here bolts right in. And of course, when you do a swap like this, you do have to get a custom drive shaft, which we have right here. Custom aluminum drive shaft we had made with a drive shaft loop. But that's pretty much it for underneath here. We did do a set of, upgraded axles and Eaton differential on this car just to help to build the rear end up a little bit. But besides that, the rest of the suspension, everything on the back, the mufflers, the tailpipes, they were all in this car before. So pretty sweet swap. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Happy to answer. You email quote@brenspeed.com and say, what's that cost to get installed? Thank you so much for watching.